This is the String Wind Soprano Ukulele. You get one ukulele, one case, just a service card, a nice cleaning cloth. This is your tuner. One strap. The strap does not work with the ukulele, considering it snaps on one end. The ukulele has the peg and the peg. You also receive 4 extra strings. You do receive picks. The tuner that comes with the ukulele will need clipped on. And when you click it, you'll notice that it'll tell you what sound it is making. The case has a nice zipper. Just closes over, zips up. It has a front zipper where you can put your picks.